What's up, guys? This is Commander Cop 27, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my custom anti-aircraft gun for my clone turbo tank, the 2010 version. Alright, so first you're going to need one of these like turntables, like that, and it's 4x4 on the bottom. And round table on the front. And you're going to take a bending like this. Zoom out a little bit. And yeah, these are most Lego sets you see, but you're going to need this to make it go up and down. You're going to take this. You're going to put it right here on it. It doesn't matter what side it's on, but because it'll be spinning, so it's like that. And you're going to take a brown, it doesn't have to be brown, but a 6x6 brick plate like this. It's flat plate. Gonna put it on it like that. So it's one stud from this side and two studs up. So it's like that. Then you can move up and down like so. Alright. Then you're going to take two of these like blue slanted plates that are 2x2 and they get thinner. Two studs on top like that. And then you're going to put it on each side like so. And you're going to need another one that's like just the opposite. And you're going to put it on the opposite side to, like that. Alright. And then you're going to take four of these. It doesn't have to be one of these. It could just be one with a hole in the middle and you put a black like connector in there. So then you put them all on here. So it's three studs up from here and in line with the second stud right here. So I'll put that there. And this, and I'll just put this one right here. Put the stud in. Then you're going to need four of these like chain guns. Gonna put one on each of the studs, so it looks like the gun, actual gun part, just like this. Then you're gonna put four red single studs on the end of each chain gun, bringing the Star Wars laser effect. See that? And then you're gonna put this brick like this. Doesn't have to be its color. Two going this way like a regular 2x4 brick, and it has the slant instead of the extra line of studs. You're gonna put that on there so it hangs off. And then you're gonna put a chair right on the back, dead center. And you're gonna put your minifigure right here. So you got your AA gun, anti-aircraft gun. And then I take turbo tank and to put this on, I'm gonna put another slanted piece. It's 3x2 on the bottom, and it's slant, so there's only two studs. I'm gonna put that right there, so it's connected like that. And then I'm gonna place it on here. Like this. so. You're going to make sure it connects to this bar on the bottom. So it looks like that on there. And you'll connect it to this little disc in the middle. You see there? And then you've got a clone turbo tank with an anti-aircraft gun. And then you see, moves around, shoots, and can turn it, spin 360 and go about 45-degree angle. Alright? Alright, so that is your anti-aircraft gun for the clone turbo tank. Alright. This is Commander Cop 27, signing off. See you guys.